Today, we will explain how to register an account and download the proper Kia access with UVO Link app on vehicles equipped with embedded telematics and UVO Link. Plus, Kia has made available an all-new Kia Owners Portal, owners.kia.com. This new portal allows Kia owners to schedule maintenance appointments, track payments, and it also provides a virtual glove box of manuals and warranty information. The Kia Access with UVO Link app applies to newer vehicles with embedded technology and offers a number of convenient remote features. To complete the activation process, open the app and follow the prompts to register your account, and then activate your UVO Link with navigation head unit. Start by going to the activation screen. Press the setup key. Press the UVO icon. Press UVO Activation. Then agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and press Submit. Also enter your smartphone number or email address to receive a verification code, then press Submit. And once you retrieve the code from your text or email, enter the code, press Submit, and that should complete the account activation process. Registering your account and activating your UVO Link is the first and most important step on your way to a wide range of connected benefits. For more information, visit the Kia Feature video channel, refer to the Car Multimedia System User's Manual, and the Quick Start Guide that came with your new Kia. Thanks for watching.